Manada Vena.
Yes, sir.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Please tell me what is the
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Mizoram?
Yeah, Mizoram. Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Only one line.
Yeah. Yeah, but first of all, sir, I would like to express that I strongly support this and that. This
Right.
and that. And secondly, Mizoram is very rich in medicinal plants. More than 50% of the state is covered by forest. Under the forest, the natural medicinal plants are grown in large quantity. So I ask the union government and the honorable minister
Thank you.
to establish the institution for research and teaching institution to establish in Mizoram. And moreover, I'm asking you to establish micro or small industry for
Thank
the
you,
production of
Ranavelji.
medicine.
Thank you
so
very much.
sir.
Honorable Minister, there is a demand for setting up a research institute of Ayurveda in every state. Please keep it. So, first,